kilometer overall per starter. All gauges are perfectly working. This is a simple speedometer. Here a fuel gauge, temperature and speedometer. Here I put the hazard buttons and white captain seats. Here, see, the seats are simply positioned. Open here, straight into the locker. Seat down, lock. Big capacity, two people can sit there, travel in three, three, six, eight, and still enough space. Big capacity, look small but big capacity. This was Toyota liteace 1993 model. Looks small but really good capacity. Best for the small family. 8 people can very widely fit. And it's comfortable. Now I overhaul ready and all jobs are perfectly done. Toyota liteace 1993 model 5K gasoline engine. It's a very wide capacity inside. 8 people can sit very easily inside. 8 people can sit easily inside. And 1 liter gasoline, the mileage is 1 liter. You can drive around 11 kilometer on a highway or in the city around 10 or 9, between 9 to 10 kilometer. That is the capacity of that one. All parts are very easily available everywhere. All parts are very easily available everywhere and very cheap. So that is the very good van for the small family.